Here we have the lentil and kale soup. Yummy lentil and kale soup. Chucky, you're making a mess. Oh, getting it off the floor, are we? Did you want some more? Take it. You don't mind that it's lemony, do you? You like citrus. Did you want a bit more of your own? Of course you did. Is that good, Tucker? Good?